Okay, so I bought this thing right here. It's supposed to be emergency, like emergency heater. It doesn't use electricity or anything like that, but it has to be hot in order to work. And so I guess, the air flows and that, whatever, whatever. And what I'm gonna do is test it on something hot. So I'm gonna put this on top of here. Okay, I can already smell some hotness. Let's see, it's on. It's on. What is that on? My nails are messed up. Hold on. That's okay. Is that low or high? I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling more heat, so I think that's high. And that one low. And I have to remember not to touch this thing after it gets hot. It's supposed to get airflow through there. I like doing experiments. To see if things gonna work. Now this is supposed to be on a wood stove. I don't have a wood stove. But I think I might eventually get a house with a wood stove just so I can have some free heat. It's oh my oh, you see this? Do you see it? It's working. Wow. But I don't feel any. That's crazy. So I'm glad I bought it. It was only $69. And basically what's supposed to happen is when something gets it just basically throws the heat around in your house. I should have brought come on, I should go buy another one and put it on this eye right here. But okay, yeah, so it's supposed to be with like a wood heater. I was thinking about getting a kerosene heaters for emergencies for the winter because I'm thinking it's gonna be a real cold winter, and this will help push the heat around in the house. Wow, that's cool. But if you go to your hardware store, this does work. It's called Miracle Heat. And that little thing gets hot and pushes air around. That's cool. It's not really hot air coming through there right now because I guess this thing is on safety mode. It's not letting it get red hot. Because you've seen some stoves like red hot. That's what it needs to. And then once it gets red hot, then this thing is metal. It gets red hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm done with my experiment. I'm just gonna unplug it and let it cool down, and I'll put it up. I just wanted to try it. Miracle Heat. Okay, it's unplugged. Let's see how long it continues. I guess as long as it's gonna stay warm. Looks like it's starting to slow down now. That is so cool. figure out something. Well, it's gotta be a kerosene heater or a, because I have gas logs, fire logs, but I want something that, like, if you run out of electricity, you run out of kerosene. So I need a wood stove, but this house is nowhere for a wood stove. Don't look at my. I have the gas logs over there. So this thing is still going. I was like, I'm not leaving this door without Miracle Heat. And then I'll do another one with, when I get my kerosene heater, I'll do another one with that. But I heard kerosene was dangerous, but I'm saying, like, what if the lights went out? What if everything didn't work? You would have to have a form of heat in the wintertime, emergency heat. And right now, basically, I'm all electricity. My stove was electricity because before, hard times, I have used the stove to heat the house. But so my electricity comes from um, my unit right now, that thermostat. But like I said, emergency. Like, if nothing works, how do I get warm? How do I not freeze? So I know that this miracle heater works. So I just gotta find something that hot and it's still going. It's still going. That's good. Really good, really good. It's kind of cool heat. I mean, it's cool air right now because it's not hot. There's a little heat down there. Careful with the. I'm gonna let it cool all the way off because it's metal. It'll burn you. That's so cool. It's still going. You see those little um, holes in there? I guess it's like a scientific something. So the cool air comes through and blah 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 blah. But you notice at the beginning I started with my hand. So before it gets hot, just start it with your hand and don't touch it again because it's metal. You could burn yourself. Slowing down, but it has not quit. Hasn't quit yet. Yet. Yeah, so long as that fan got some heat under it, it's gonna blow. Without electricity, it's gonna blow. I like it. I like gadgets. So cool. Still going. Hmm. I wanna test it. See, I tested. It's not that. It's not that hot no more. Like, this side was on too. It's just a little warmth, and it's still going. So hey, cool. So you get those heaters and the heat just stay around the heater. Put one of these things on top of it. No electricity, and it just keeps blowing that air through the house all night. So you don't have to be right there on top of the heater. And you notice it did not get red hot and it still was able to function. It's lukewarm and it's still functioning. Okay, stop. It looks like it wants to, but it's not. This is good. Ain't going. Miracle heat. Let me see. It's just a little breeze of cool air right now because the heat is off. But it's it's barely warm and it's still going. So these little things, these must be, you see that? The little gadgets in there must be heat resistant. The little, whoever put that together. Oh. Okay. Okay. My ceiling fan is going. So there's some air in the house. So I'm going to stop this thing and I'm going to let you guys know. How am I going to let you guys know? Okay, I'm going to set a timer. I think it's almost done though. Yeah, that's almost done. Anyway, okay, yeah, so it works. Thank you. Bye.